topic is COVID-19 and tobacco control role of communication campaigns. It's a very important topic. And Vaishakhi Malik is the speaker for this session. She is Associate Director, South Asia Policy, Advocacy and Communication in the Vital Strategies. She is a strategic communication specialist with a focus on public health. Currently, Vaishakhi leads the Tobacco Control Road Safety Partnership for Healthy Cities, Hypertension Management, and Transmit Elimination Communication programs at Vital Strategies. She has been a faculty at the 2013 and 2018 Regional Tobacco Control Leadership Program by Johns Hopkins Bloomberg School of Public Health and has been associated with tobacco control campaigns for long. So welcome, Vaishakhi. Over to you for your presentation.
Thank you, Dr. Kaur, and thank you to rest of the speakers. I am going to talk about tobacco control communication campaigns during COVID-19. And I think rest of the speakers have covered a lot of what I wanted to say as a context. So I'm going to skip most of it. But what I wanted to highlight here was that although, COVID-19 brought in a lot of challenges, but it also got certain opportunities, as the rest of the speakers also agreed, for tobacco control. And similar was the case with communication campaigns. There have been challenges with implementing communication campaigns, but then there have been opportunities where the media consumption of the masses changed a lot during the lockdown and during this phase. And I'm going to cover those in my next slides. Next slide, please. And before I go into talking about specifically about India, just for people who are not aware, but Vital Strategies is one of the Bloomberg partners and has been a technical partner with Ministry of Health since over a decade, and implementing the WARN strategy of Empower. And the vision that Vital Strategies carries is a world where every person is protected by a strong public health system. And to do so, we work mostly in low and middle income countries, in around 34 countries. And we work primarily with the governments in tackling the non-communicable diseases through our various approaches. And one of them is strategic health communication, which is the topic of my presentation today. Next slide, please. So as I said, we have been working with the Government of India, Ministry of Health, and with various governments at the subnational level on tobacco control communication activities, which primarily include population level approaches, that is mass media campaigns, which are aired on TV and radio and traditional channels, which have high impact and reach. Apart from that, we integrate the mass media campaigns with a lot of social media campaigns, and do a very integrated approach where we also include earned media to amplify these communication messages. So within tobacco control, we have been working for over a decade, and we have implemented mass media campaigns, basically provided technical support to Government of India, and Government of India has invested in these campaigns. And I think we've done more than 25 campaigns nationally, which have covered tobacco dangers in smoking, smokeless tobacco, as well as secondhand smoke exposure. So we provide technical support, as in we develop the campaign materials and provide all the materials to the government. And a very important part of our work is that we always message test these campaigns, and we have also provided support in the post-campaign evaluation of these campaigns, further building the evidence on these campaigns. And as I said, the campaigns have been implemented nationally in 17 languages across various mass media channels like TV, radio, and outdoor, etc. Next slide. So now, while we've been implementing tobacco control campaigns, then came in the challenge of COVID. And therefore, within a very short time, we had to basically integrate a lot of COVID-19 messages into tobacco control and also work around the communication strategies. I'm going to skip all of this because the all the advisories and all the link that was other speakers have spoken about how tobacco and tobacco use and COVID-19 are linked. Next slide, please. And in India also, I'm going to skip this, but we know that a lot of advisories were issued by the Ministry of Health, linking tobacco use with COVID-19, and there were letters to the states to implement spitting ban, and ban on smokeless tobacco, and similar policy decisions were taken in other countries also. So all of this was linked with the communication campaigns. And before I go into India, I'm going to briefly talk about the Southeast Asia region, what we did in the Southeast Asia region to include COVID-19 messages into tobacco control. Next slide. Yeah, so in Pakistan, what we did was we partnered with, we partnered with governments during the pandemic to address the tobacco use issue. In Pakistan, we partnered with the government of Pakistan to create an awareness campaign, which was called Fighting to Alleviate Corona Together, which was an integrated approach where we used mass media campaigns, which were tested and incorporated COVID-19 message. And we implemented it on mass media channels. Along with that, we also did a signage campaign to raise awareness about the health risks of smoking as well as secondhand smoke during the pandemic in Islamabad. So this outdoor campaign was put up in high traffic areas with an estimated reach of nearly 500,000 people daily. And in the next slide, I'm going to briefly play this ad.
ओ वालेकुम सलाम। ये तूने मुंह पे क्या चढ़ाया हुआ है?
चाचा ये मास्क है, कोरोना वायरस की वबा फैली हुई है, इससे बचाव के लिए मास्क पहना है।
ये मैं हुक्का और सिगरेट पीता हूँ ना, ये कोरोना शरोना मुझे कुछ नहीं कहता।
ना चाचा ना, डॉक्टरों के मुताबिक सिगरेट या हुक्का पीने वालों के फेफड़े कमजोर होते हैं। कोरोना वायरस अगर फेफड़ों पर हमला कर दे तो मरीज का बचना मुश्किल हो जाता है। ये ले मास्क, तू भी पहन ले ताकि तुझे देखकर सारे गांव वाले मास्क पहने।
एहतियात अपनाएं, जिंदगी महफूज बनाएं।
Yeah. Next slide. And similarly, in Indonesia and Philippines, we did social media campaigns to highlight the link. And in Philippines, the campaign's name was Smoke Free's New Normal. And I wanted to touch upon Mexico, where a lot of mass media campaigns were done, but they also included COVID message in the new pack warnings. So this was an initiative which was taken in Mexico. Next slide. Coming to India, as I said in the beginning of my presentation, that the consumption of media changed quite a bit during the lockdown and during the pandemic. So what we saw from the data was that people started watching TV more, and within TV, the reach of the news channels was more than any other channel, like entertainment, etc. The consumption of radio channels reduced drastically. And there was a huge consumption of social media platforms, and therefore we strategized the campaigns to to include this kind of media consumption habit of the people, and therefore worked around it. So in India, what we focused on was that we continued the warning against the deadly harms of using tobacco, as we were previously doing. And we thought, and as other chairs also speakers agreed, that this was a time where this was a time where people it was a time for quitting, and therefore the messages motivated people to quit to remain healthy and fight COVID-19. And during the entire lockdown period, that was taken as an opportunity by us to push a lot of quitting messages, and also offer support through the cessation, the helpline, and of course raise awareness on the prevention from COVID-19 by linking a lot of government smokeless tobacco and an anti-spitting ban. So these were the things that we focused on in the previous few months. So a part of this was that this campaign, I don't believe, is a smokeless tobacco campaign, which was previously aired by Ministry of Health for warning against smokeless tobacco. And during the time when we wanted to link the policy of smokeless tobacco ban and anti-spitting, Government of Punjab, so Department of Health and Family Welfare, we provided them with technical support, and they launched this pre-tested campaign. And we we also incorporated the message of COVID-19 within this campaign, and the call to action was changed to encourage people to quit tobacco to fight the ongoing COVID pandemic, and also provided help through the National Quitline number. And this launch was amplified through earned media, was covered in 40 publications with a PR value of around USD 106,000. So this was one campaign that was done on TV primarily, and was also amplified through social media by Government of Punjab. The next campaign is When You Quit. This has not been aired yet. We have recommended this campaign to Ministry of Health, and we are also recommending this campaign to other state governments. This is a pre-tested campaign, When You Quit, which was basically designed to warn against cardiovascular disease, heart attack. And this is a different way of messaging where, people are being warned about the deadly effects of smoking cigarettes and bidis, and also making a case for the benefits of quitting over a timeline. So there is WHO data which has been used in this ad, where we are showing through a timeline what are going to be the benefits of quitting, and now we have incorporated the COVID-19 message in this campaign, and also promoting the National Quitline number. I'm going to briefly play this 30 seconds ad here.
Research shows that 20 minutes after you quit smoking, your blood pressure returns to normal. In a few days, the nicotine levels in your body decrease. And in about 12 months, your risk of heart disease is halved. But right now, as a smoker, you can get a heart attack anytime. Bidi cigarettes put you at greater risk of severe COVID-19 and death. Quit tobacco today. For help, call 1-800-112-356.
So we have recommended this campaign, and I would also urge other participants in different states to also recommend this campaign to the government, and we are working on similar campaigns for the year. So coming to social media, as I said, the media consumption on social media increased a lot. So therefore, we placed a lot of digital campaigns to air these campaigns, and on social media. So I am going to just present the COVID-19, because this was made a part of the tobacco control messaging that we do on an ongoing basis on social media, and also do certain campaigns. So we incorporated the COVID-19 message and social media campaign through the Facebook page Tobacco Kills Quit Now India, by using scientific credible data from WHO and advisory from Ministry of Health. So these posts in a very concentrated way, they provided quick tips and promoted the National Quitline number as well as the M cessation service. And we also created online support for strengthening smoke-free laws and policies. This also included the support for smokeless ban and the policies. So this reach is only for the COVID-19 messages, which was around 400,000 people with 68,000 engagement for a period of past month. Next slide. And during this time, we also started this hashtag called and a campaign called Winners Quit Here. So, see, we basically reinitiated this because this was a campaign which was done around a GST implementation and a lot of other advocacy efforts. And so we reinitiated Winners Quit Here to promote, cessation. So this is basically a series, a campaign which includes video series by people from the local, from the general public who share their quit stories to encourage other tobacco users to quit. And along with that, we also started a video series called hashtag Ask the Doc. And some of the, Dr. Rakesh who are present here have also offered their videos under Ask the Doc, where the doctors are highlighting the real harms of tobacco, of, and so also promoting M cessation. So the video series was viewed 51,000 times in a period of 3 months, and it is building up. Next slide. And on our,
Jackie, can you please now wind up fast?
Yes, I will.
Thanks.
So very briefly, so there is a campaign called Term Tobacco Enforcement and Reporting Movement, which is basically to highlight the tobacco control violations by the general public. And so we linked this with the spitting ban and encouraged people to report violations. We are also working with the union and their, local NGOs who are also working with state governments to report these violations. Also linking it with Youth Ki Awaaz to spread the information to the youth. Next slide. And finally, the next steps is really, because this is for a long haul, and we are going to continue supporting the government and state governments in implementing mass media campaigns, and also work on the social media and earned media campaigns during this to promote Government of India campaign. Finally, the conclusion and the next step, I think what I wanted to highlight was that including COVID-19 into the national tobacco control strategies, like into also not only into communication programs, but also into having pack warnings with COVID-19 messaging and so on and so forth. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Vaishakhi, for this very comprehensive presentation regarding the campaign.